Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day. So today what I want to show you guys is how to import tools from an existing CAM part file. So what I mean by that is, let's say we're programming this part here and I want to import some tools that I already set up from a previous job. So easy enough is you can just go to your tools. You can do this inside the operation as well. Click on the import button, and at the very top right you'll see the tool library type. Switch this over to CAM. And now I can go ahead and browse to wherever I need to, wherever that CAM part file is located, and actually pull tools out of that library. So I'm just looking for my tool number 2 right here, and I can just right click and do import selected tool, or I can import all my tools, or I can just simply double click on it. And now I can close out of there, and you'll see that it brought it in there. And it kept the same number here, so I'll have to come and renumber this to a larger number. But that is how you guys can pull tools in from a previous CAM project that you've already done. So just want to share that with you for the tip of the day today. And any questions or concerns, my email address is down below, or give us a call on the support line. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.